Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to reshare someone's status on WhatsApp. So with the new update, you can now reshare someone's status on WhatsApp if that person allows you. So here's how to do it. Open your WhatsApp app. Click on the status you want to reshare. You're going to click on this button at the bottom right corner. Click on it. You can also choose to reshare both the captions too. Have in mind that this is going to notify the person that you have reshared his status. When I go to my status, I'm going to see the same meme. And there will be a tag at the top saying reshared. So that's how you share someone's status on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.